to know that what is IELTS. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful, I hope all of you will be good. As far as the IELTS is concerned, you know that this is International English Language Testing System. Today, here we are going to discuss regarding the reading skill, that how you will be able to improve your reading. Obviously, for reading skill, you will be having a very good vocabulary with you. So how will you be able to improve your vocabulary? You will be able to improve your vocabulary with the help of newspapers, with the help of magazines, novels, different plays, by reading different paragraphs, different passages, essays, and these type of things. Obviously, when you will read a book or you read a novel or play, and you are having some difficult words over there and you are not going to understand the meanings of those words, you will have to underline those words and you will have to check out the meanings of those difficult words. Obviously, it will be a great help for you for your reading skill. When you will be having a very good vocabulary with you and you do have the scan of difficult words in your mind, you will be able to utilize those difficult words in reading as well as in writing and in speaking. Reading skill in IELTS, it consists of 60 minutes, 1 hour. There will be 3 passages for you, and for each passage you will be assigned 20 minutes. At the end of the passage, it will be like a comprehension. You will be assigned 13 to 14 questions, and in total there will be 40 questions. Remember that you do have only 1 hour, and in 1 hour you will have to complete and you will have to write all of the answers of the 40 questions. So don't be confused, be relaxed, because we are not going to read the whole passage as far as the passages are concerned. We just will have to scan, we will have to write the answers of the questions through scanning. What is scanning? We will have to find out the significant meanings or the proper answers of the questions given at the end of the topic or given at the end of that comprehension. What we will have to do and how we will have to start as far as the reading skill is concerned. Only we will read the first paragraph of each of the passage. We will read the topic sentence. We will underline the key details, the key words, and we'll start writing the answers. So through this, you will be able to manage the time. If you will try to read all of the passage, then you will become a loser, because you don't have a proper time, a very good time to complete the passage, to complete all of the passages in 1 hour. So you will become nervous, you will be confused, and it will become a dilemma for you. So remember my words, no need to read all of the paragraphs or all of the passages. Just read the first paragraph of the passage, then the topic sentence, and then the conclusion. Then just skim that one and scan. So it will become just like a tissue paper for you, nothing else. Even I know that reading is dry and it's difficult to capture the reading skill, as the students say. But if they will follow the instructions of the proper trainers, obviously they'll be able to learn the proper techniques, tips and tricks and methodologies to capture IELTS reading. Thank you very much.